And it's been over 36 hours since the tragic Bhandara hospital fire in which 10 babies' lives were snuffed out. But till now, no FIR has been filed by the administration. Meanwhile, Times Now's investigation has found more lapses and negligence on part of the administration. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, along with Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, paid a visit to the hospital in Bhandara and assured the grieving families that those responsible for the incident will not be spared. Will the parents of the newborns who lost their lives get timely justice? Here's the report.
At 2 a.m. on Saturday morning, the lives of 10 tiny children were snuffed out in a fire at the neonatal care unit of the District General Hospital in Bhandara. But even 40 hours after the incident, nobody has been held responsible for the negligence that cost 10 families their future. No FIR, no accountability. This despite the fact that several lapses have now come to light.
हम अपने वार्ड में थे, अपने कमरे में थे, कोई बताने के लिए नहीं आया। वो आग पूरा पसर गया था ना, तो उसका वो क्या बोलते उसको, धुआं आया, तभी पता चला हम लोगों को। तो हम नीचे उतर गए थे हॉस्पिटल के बाहर। हमारे बच्चों आईसीयू में थे, तो मैं उधर गई थी, आईसीयू में अपने बच्चों को लाने गई थी, तो उन लोगों ने हमको आने नहीं दिया, बाहर भेज दिए। तभी सुबह हमको पता चला कि हमारा बच्चों नहीं रहा।
अंदर जाने के लिए रास्ता ही नहीं था, इतना काला धुआं था, पूरा बहुत भयंकर आग लगी थी। और बच्चों के जहाँ बच्चे थे छोटे, वो बच्चे के जगह में ही बहुत ज़्यादा आग लगी थी। तो ऐसा है कि अलार्म का कुछ लगा रहता तो ये इतना बड़ा हादसा नहीं होता था यहाँ पे।
In our investigation so far, we found many lapses at different levels. Now all eye on the probe committee to know if they take action on big fish or they take action only on small personnel to get away with. We hope the justice will be done with the families who have lost precious lives.
Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, visiting the grieving families, promised to bring those responsible to book.
की आधी त्या विशिष्ट उपकरणाबद्दल म्हणा किंवा इतर कोणत्याही व्यवस्थेबद्दल म्हणा काही मागण्या केल्या गेल्या होत्या का, तक्रारी आल्या होत्या का? कारण एक गोष्ट मी आपल्याला नम्रपणाने सांगू इच्छितो की साधारणतः गेले वर्षभर संपूर्ण आपली आरोग्य व्यवस्था असेल, प्रशासन यंत्रणा असेल, ही आरोग्यविषयक जी काही एक परिस्थिती निर्माण झालेली आहे कोरोनाची, त्याच्यामध्ये आज सुद्धा नाही म्हटलं तरी तणावाखाली आहेच। आणि त्याच्यात अशी ही सगळी जी काय आपण कामं करत असतो त्याच्यात कुठे दुर्लक्ष झालंय का हे सुद्धा आपल्या त्या सगळ्या रिपोर्टमध्ये आपल्याकडे येईल। या आता दुर्दैवाने ही घटना घडल्यानंतर काही गोष्टी लक्षात आल्या आहेत, नक्की आहेत, आणि त्यातनं एक धडा घेऊन पुन्हा एक सुद्धा जीव अशा कारणामुळे जाऊ द्यायचा नाही या निश्चयाने सरकार काम करेल।
फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम का अभाव, यहाँ पर स्प्रिंकलर नहीं है, यहाँ पर स्मोक डिटेक्टर नहीं है, यहाँ पर फायर फाइटिंग कोई ऐसी एक्सेप्ट फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर कोई वहाँ पर यंत्रणा नहीं है। और ये अगर सभी शासकीय दवाखानों में खास करके ऐसे नियोनेटल वार्ड, आईसीयू या जहाँ पर मरीज ज़्यादा जो बीमार होते हैं वैसे जगहों पर ये सारे सिस्टम को निर्माण करना केवल भंडारा के लिए ही नहीं लेकिन सारी शासकीय दवाखाने और इमारतों के लिए बहुत जरूरी।
Missing equipment, missed audits, and a clearly complicit administration. Nothing can make up for the loss that these parents are facing, but the least that the administration owes them is a fast and fair investigation. Will those responsible for this criminal apathy be duly punished? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Super Prime Time.
Let's Let's now open this out and take this across to our guest. Joining us, Sanju Verma is the national spokesperson of the BJP. With us, Shehzad Poonawalla, lawyer, also with us. Also joining us on the broadcast is Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst. But I want to first and foremost go across to Shailesh Pandey, who's a Shiv Sena supporter. Shailesh Pandey जी, सबसे पहले हमें ये बताएं कि आज मुख्यमंत्री ने वहां जाके भंडारा में आश्वासन तो दिया है, लेकिन 36 घंटे होने वाले हैं इस तरह के इस घटना के, अभी तक इस पूरे मामले में एफआईआर तक दर्ज नहीं किया गया है।
जी देखिए, जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा कि आदरणीय उद्धव साहब ठाकरे जी महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री भंडारा में वहाँ पर दौरा किए। जो भी ये दुर्घटना घटी थी, 10 बच्चे इस आग में जले, उनके परिवार वालों से मिले, उनसे उनके प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त की और उन्होंने वहाँ पर तुरंत इमीडिएट जो भी विभागीय आयुक्त हैं उनकी एक कमेटी बनाकर तुरंत इस घटना की जांच बिठाई और उसके साथ ही अग्निशमन दल के मुंबई के एक अग्निशमन के अधिकारी भी इस कमेटी में रहेंगे। ऐसी एक तुरंत जांच की गई और जल्द से जल्द तुरंत ये जांच से जो भी बातें सामने आएंगी उसके हिसाब से तुरंत एक्शन लिया जाएगा।
अरे सर, एफआईआर क्यों नहीं लिया जा रहा?
जवाबदार हैं,
एफआईआर से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एक्शन क्या है?
जाएगा और कठोर से कठोर सर लिया जाएगा। मैं कह रहा हूं ना, उद्धव साहब जी ने अभी आदेश दिया है, जांच हो रही है, जांच होते ही तुरंत एफआईआर होगा और तुरंत एक्शन लिया जाएगा। सारे इसमें जो भी लापरवाही बरती होंगे, कोई भी अधिकारी किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट के हो, उन्हें बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
Sir, I want to bring in Sanju Verma on that. Sanju Verma, is that assurance enough? Because while Uddhav Thackeray has gone there, he has promised to, investigate this entire matter. But what I find absolutely shocking is that there is no FIR. What's going on?
Madhav, I have been watching Times Now, and kudos to you for the excellent reporting. Your reporters on the ground mentioned one thing which is horrific, apart from the fact that no FIR has been registered till now. The fact of the matter is that when this unfortunate incident happened, we are told from ground reports that in the neonatal section, there was no nurse, no doctors present on the hospital premises, no civil surgeon. There was just about nobody. So the fact of the matter is that forget the fact that fire safety equipment was not there, the hospital was not fireproof, even basic things like a fire ladder or fire extinguishers were not there, hydrants were not there, fire sprinklers were not there. But I am asking, why were the doctors, nurses missing in action at 2 a.m. in the morning? I am 100% sure, had there been proactivity on the part of the administrative officials and the doctors in the hospital, these 10 infants who died, 3 charred to death and 7 choked, died due to asphyxia. I'm sure this could have been avoided.
शैलेश पांडे जी, ना तो इक्विपमेंट है, ना इस इक्विपमेंट की ऑडिट की जाती है, ना वहां पे डॉक्टर और नर्स है। ये कैसा हॉस्पिटल है ये?
देखिए, इस विषय पर आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव साहब ठाकरे जी ने वहां पर तुरंत सिर्फ भंडारा के उस सरकारी अस्पताल का ही नहीं, बल्कि महाराष्ट्र के सारी शासकीय और सरकारी अस्पतालों के ऑडिट करने का तुरंत इमीडिएट आदेश दिया है।
पिछले 2 साल से क्यों नहीं हुआ सर वहां पे ऑडिट?
के जितने भी सरकारी
पिछले 2 साल से वहां पे फायर सेफ्टी ऑडिट क्यों नहीं किया गया? और क्या मॉक ड्रिल्स क्यों नहीं किए गए? इस तरह की चीजें अगर पहले होती, शायद इस तरह की घटना नहीं होती, 10 जानें बच सकती थी।
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप। इसमें लापरवाही हुई है और जो भी लापरवाही हुई है तो इसके लिए जो भी लोग जवाबदार हैं उन पर सख्त से सख्त
सर, आपकी सरकार है, आप जवाबदार हैं।
सरकार इस पर चुप नहीं बैठेगी। 10 बच्चों की जान गई है, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही दुर्दैवी विषय है। दुर्घटना ये जो हुआ है ये बहुत ही हृदय विदारक है और पूरी हमारी संवेदना, हमारी भावना उन बच्चों के साथ, उनके परिवार के साथ। मैं भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे, ऐसे में उनके परिवार को धैर्य प्रदान करे।
सर ये बातें और ऐसे हादसा दुर्घटना महाराष्ट्र में दोबारा कहीं नहीं घट सके, इसके लिए हम कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे। जांच हुई होती है, एफआईआर अभी तक लॉन्च नहीं हुआ है, कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा इस पूरे मामले में, ये समझ ही नहीं आ रहा किसी को। ऑलराइट, या संजू वांटेड टू रिप्लाई टू यू। संजू,
देखिए इसमें कई तथ्य हैं, कई अलग अलग विषय हैं, उन सारे विषयों की पूरी जांच होकर ही एग्जैक्ट लोगों पर।
संजू वर्मा आपको जवाब देना चाहिए। एक सेकंड, शैलेश पांडे जी, संजू वर्मा आपको जवाब दे रहे हैं, एंड देन आई गो अक्रॉस टू तहसीन।
Madhav, yeah. Madhav, I want
Ji,
to,
Madhav.
I really pity Mr. Shailesh Pandey because he's here defending the indefensible. The fact of the matter is that while sometimes you may claim that accidents, happen coincidentally, in this case, I dare say this was human error, this was criminal negligence, this was criminal apathy, and I think heads must roll. I want to ask one simple question to the Uddhav Thackeray dispensation through your channel, Madhav. RTI activist and social activist Vikas Devendra Madankar asked in 2018 and then in 2020 he again wrote to the Chief Information Officer when the Uddhav Thackeray dispensation was in power. Why is it that the hospital is not fireproof? Why is it that it is lacking in basic safety equipment?
That's a question that the government has to answer. And I want to bring in Tehseen Poonawalla on that note. Tehseen Poonawalla, can the Chief Minister, when he goes to Bhandara Hospital, say that the entire healthcare infrastructure has been bogged down because of COVID-19? Does that justify this kind of an incident? One second, Sanju Verma. Simple question for you, Tehseen Poonawalla. Can that kind of an argument hold any water? 10 lives being lost due to negligence?
Madhav, good evening. I was very patient while everyone was speaking. I'll be very...
You have to speak a little loudly. We can barely hear you.
So there are no unnecessary interruptions. Okay, because I think there was a problem. Can you hear me now?
It's better now. Go ahead.
I was very patient when the other panelists were speaking. Thank you. I was very patient. Please make sure that there's no interruption and I'm not interrupted or there's no screeching voice over me. I'll be very brief. Sanju ma'am is right that in 2018 when Devendra Fadnavis was in power, since then money is not been released. This must be looked into criminally as to why the earlier government and this government has not released money. There is no denying it. That information is with me as well. Point number 2, while we are at the subject of money, if the GST money of Maharashtra, which is the highest tax paying money, can be given so we can do our development work, it will really help us, but that's not the subject of the debate.
Please.
I just want to bring that point.
Let's not trivialize this.
Two points I want to make and end my submission. Just 2 points. Please don't interrupt me. Just 2 points I want to end my submission. It was a side point.
What does GST money have to do with this? Come on.
Are you out of your mind?
You don't need GST to conduct a fire safety audit, Tehseen Poonawalla, please.
Are you out
Let's
of
not
your
insult
mind?
the intelligence of our viewers. Where there is accountability, it has to be fixed.
Have some sensitivity. Do not insult the intelligence of the bereaved families.
Can I be
This
allowed
has
to
nothing
talk?
to do with GST allocation. This is about criminal negligence. Stop making a fool of yourself and stop insulting
Madam,
the intelligence of those bereaved parents who lost their newborns.
That when I come, I will not be interrupted. This was a condition I put.
No, that's fine. You can put any condition you want, but this is a debate. When there are debates, when points are made, the counterpoints will also be heard. You can't just have a free-leading speech here, sir. This is not speech time. This is not monologue time. There is accountability, and accountability will be fixed. Accountability will be fixed. You are here as a supporter of the MVA, and questions are going to be asked in this kind of a tragedy. You are not above questioning. Nobody is.
Who are you to put conditions?
One second, Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma, I want Tehseen Poonawalla. Calm down, Sanju Verma. We have other panelists also. Tehseen Poonawalla, simple question to you is this: that on a day when such a tragedy has taken place, can the Chief Minister say that because of COVID-19, our entire healthcare infrastructure is bogged down? Please answer that question.
Yes, our entire healthcare infrastructure is bogged down. We are in a massive financial mess because the centre is not releasing money, but that is not an excuse. This is a matter pending since 2018 when Honorable Devendra Fadnavis ji was Chief Minister and he sought to do nothing about it. I think the previous government must be criminally prosecuted. I want to come to my last submission because I repeated my points when I was interrupted. Just 2 quick points without being interrupted. You see, Madhav, kudos to Times Now, they've done a fantastic investigation. While I hold no brief for the Maharashtra government and I know that the guilty will be punished, and 15 days from now when we are sitting here, you will see people in jail and in a year from now they'll be convicted. I want to ask you, what happened to the conviction in the Gorakhpur cases? What happened to the number of deaths? It was a Times Now investigation that the deaths put up officially by Adityanath's government were fake deaths. They were
I don't want to get into this debate, Tehseen. This is the worst kind of whataboutery. People have died. For heaven's sake, let's not make this political.
I'm not getting into it. My last point.
You can have charges and counter charges politically, but please, yes, citizens dying. One mistake does not justify another. I want Tehseen Poonawalla to come in now. One second now. Sanju Verma, 1 second please. There are others on the panel. You're not the only person speaking. I'm going to go across to Shehzad
Poonawala, stop
Shehzad
indulging in
Poonawala.
whataboutery.
This kind of
During the
this kind of
Gorakhpur tragedy,
whataboutery
you asked for
that
the
one state
resignation
we
of
saw a
Yogi
tragedy
Adityanath.
happen,
Your
and therefore
Rahul
this
Gandhi
state is
does
correct.
not even
How
have
far are we
the
going to
guts
stretch
to
this
ask
logic?
questions of
Children
Uddhav
are dying
Thackeray.
here.
He barely
We have children
put
who have
out
died, 10 infants who have
mundane
died,
tweet
and yet you see
saying,
this
"I
kind of a
regret what
statement coming in.
happened."
Shehzad.
Please stop defending the indefensible. Discuss Bhandara, which is the topic
Sanju Verma,
today.
calm
not Uttar
down. I'm going to
Pradesh.
come to you in a
Enough.
bit. Calm down.
Thank you, Madhav. Thank you for the opportunity. You know, even though I have seen many a debates where the bars have been set really low, today I am disappointed, and I agree with Mr. Pandey कि everything is Bhagwan Bharose, and therefore he said धैर्य रखे, भगवान के ऊपर भरोसा रखे, and that is the state of the affairs. This is not a हादसा, it's a हत्या.
No, I didn't say that कि भगवान के ऊपर भरोसा रखे. मैंने ये कहा कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे. Don't put your words in my mouth. Please don't put your words in my mouth. Please don't put your words in my mouth.
Okay.
Whatever I said,
Shailesh Pandey, you can respond to him.
Okay.
You can respond to him. Let him make his point. You can respond to him after that. Yeah, go ahead.
Madhav, you know what? We cannot have a debate where the other side is so intolerant.
You are telling lie on the live program.
All right, you can respond to him, sir. Just give him a chance to speak. Make your point.
आप interrupt कर लो, फिर मुझे मौका दीजिए. Everybody finish interrupting, then I will speak only for 30
I'm not
seconds.
interrupting.
Only to speak for 30-35 seconds.
No. I'm not interrupting.
You finish, then I speak.
You are telling lie. That's why I interrupt you.
Are you done? Now can I speak?
You telling lie. That's why I interrupt you.
Are you done? Are you done?
What I said कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे. I didn't say कि भगवान पे भरोसा रखो.
Or if his audio can be faded down. This debate is going
I did say राम भरोसे.
Okay. Shailesh Pandey, as I have told you,
that only you
Shailesh Pandey, you have interjected, you have interrupted, you got his response.
Your words
now
in
please
my
calm
mouth,
down. Shailesh Pandey, calm down. I know it's a
courtesy.
difficult debate for you to defend, but let others also speak. Let
Now
him make his
we'll
point. He's
either
just
have to
coming into
fade
this
him.
debate. Yeah, Shehzad, make your point.
I am having total
Calm down,
sympathy.
sir. Please now, Shailesh Pandey, you don't have to now comment on each and everything. Calm down.
With that
Shehzad.
Families.
You know, the problem is that I extend the courtesy of listening to everybody so that I can counter their points, and nobody extends that courtesy. Be that as it may. The kind of alacrity that Mr. Pandey is showing in heckling me, if his government shows half that alacrity in filing the FIR, first they instituted a committee that was headed by the same people who were responsible for this tragedy. They had the same health department people chairing the committee and was going to submit a report to the police for criminal action to be taken upon themselves. Is this the principles of natural justice? As far as the person who made a ridiculous comment on GST
Mr.
payment,
Chief Minister
by the
Uddhav
way, the medical
Thackeray
reimbursement
said
for this year,
there is
now
a
can I
person
not be
from
interrupted?
Mumbai
We are
who is
having a serious debate. I do not
fire
want to
brigade
shout.
officer.
I can be
He is a
extended the
Mumbai
courtesy
fire
of
brigade
45
officer. He is
seconds.
not belonging to the Bhandara. He is belonging from Mumbai.
Madhav, I am
Mr.
sorry,
Chief Minister
I am unable to
Uddhav Thackeray
participate.
said that
I'm sorry, I
one
will not be able
officer
to
from
participate.
Mumbai
I
fire
do
brigade
not know how
officer.
to engage in
He
these
is a
debates
member of the
with
committee.
people anymore. Sorry, I am not going to engage in this.
All right.
If you can't fade him down, I am not going to make a point.
माधव जी,
Please carry
आप
on the panel discussion
ऐसे
with the
लोगों
rest
को
of the
क्यों
panel.
बुलाते हैं
I'm sorry,
जो
I've
अपने हर
spared
वाक्य
my
में
time.
झूठ
I'm sorry
बोलते हैं.
about that.
All right,
Please
all
carry
right,
on.
all right.
Please
In
carry
fact, we are
on.
completely out of time on this debate number 1 on the show today. I'd like to thank all our panelists for joining us. We are, in fact, going to look at some other news stories that have been coming in just a little while.
The News Hour Special Edition will be right back after this break.